Hello. Today you're going to be working on a worksheet on Canvas, and it looks like this. Actually, you have two worksheets, and it's the skill that we've been practicing since before we went on break, making 10. This skill, if you remember, in this skill we're practicing to fill up a whole tens frame. Because I tell you, some of you already know what 8 plus 7 is. But if we learn this skill or this strategy of filling up a tens frame, then we can really do this in our head so that when our numbers get bigger and bigger, we can visualize it in our mind and we can do our math a little bit faster. For example, let's work through it. I'm going to show you a couple of examples in case you forgot, okay? And this is from your homework. I know you can't see your homework, but just watch. So we have 8 plus 7. We have two add-ins, right? 8 and 7. Remember, add-ins are the numbers we're adding. 8 plus 7. So now we have 8. They already did them for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. And now we're going to do our 7. And I'm going to change my color for this. So now I'm going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have two add-ins, 8 and 7. But to do this faster in my mind, I want to fill up one whole tens frame. I want to fill up one tens frame. So I'm going to borrow some of these to fill up this tens frame. I'm not taking them away. So this isn't subtraction. I'm not taking them away. I'm just going to move them around. Okay? So they're still here, but I'm going to move them. So look, I'm going to take these two and I'm going to put them over here. 1, 2. And then I'm going to cross them out here because they no longer exist here. I took them from here and I put them over here. Okay, that looks a little bit messy, so I'm going to erase them now. And I'm going to put back the little dot that I had. So now we have a full tens frame. We have 10, so now we have a full 10. And now this number is going to be different because we borrowed some from there. So now this number is going to be however many are here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it's 10 plus 5. So 8 plus 7 is the same as 10 plus 5. They're different numbers, but if we add them together, we get the same answer. Okay, 8 cubes plus 7 cubes is going to give me the same answer as 10 cubes plus 5 cubes. And now I can add by tens because adding by tens in my mind is so much easier. 10 plus 5 equals, what's 10 plus 5? 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now if I can do that easily in my mind, then I know that 8 plus 7 is also going to be 15. 10 plus 5 is the same as 8 plus 7. I have the same amount, they're just separated in different ways. Let's try number 2 and then you guys can do the rest. Okay, let me get my green back. You can pick whichever colors you want. So here we have 8 plus 4. So we have 8. So remember, this is my add-in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And down here, I'm going to have my add-in of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 plus 4. We want to figure out what these are all together. Of course, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we don't want to do that. We're practicing the strategy of making 10. So we want to find a way to fill up this tens frame. How can I fill up this tens frame? Well, I can borrow from these guys down here. I'm not taking them away. They're not going away. We're just moving them. So I'm going to move this guy over here and this guy over here. 1, 2. Okay. Now they're gone from here because I moved them. I moved them so they're no longer down here. They're up here. So now I have a full 10 frame. 10. And how many are on this side now? 2. So now I know that 8 plus 4 will give me the same answer as 10 plus 2. 8 plus 4, if I add all of these together, will give me the same answer as 10 plus 2. And I can do this easily in my mind. 10 plus 2 more is 12. So if 10 plus 2 equals 12, then 8 plus 4 also equals 12. Voila! There you go. I want you to try the rest on your own and then turn it in. Okay?